Dripping faucets, a seemingly minor issue, often go unnoticed in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Yet, this common problem can lead to the wastage of a significant amount of water, contributing not only to environmental stress, but also to an increase in your water bills. It's more than just a drop, it's a continuous flow of resources and money slipping through your fingers. Residing in the Acton area and tired of hearing the constant drip that's slowly draining your wallet? Don't let this issue drip feed into your expenses any longer. Take action today and call 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified plumbing professionals. Ensure your faucets are in top condition, save water, and protect your peace of mind. Remember, a small drip can lead to a big splash on your bills. Act now, Acton.